another Funko Friday. Okay, today we have, first we have Disney vinyl figures, Series 2 Mystery Minis. They're so cute. And then we have Domo Mystery Mini vinyl figures, superheroes and villains. Okay. First, I'm going to start with the one with the most, which is this. So, the one I like the most for this is Belle with her rose in her hand. Okay, so let's get open. Okay, that works. Okay. Okay, so first we got Alice. She is so cute. She has like her little dress and she's even curtsying. And on the back there's a little white bow. And her eyes are kind of like gleaming, I guess. And I like her little black bow. She's so cute. How adorable. Okay, next one. Open up. Okay, something I can do. This might actually be helpful. We got a Booba. 1 out of 12. Meerkat. I really haven't seen Lion King, so I don't know what his name is or her name is. There. Okay, and now third one, the last one, and I have like it. No duplicates so far. No duplicates so far. Don't start now. No duplicates. Okay. Oops. And we got another person from Lion King that I do not know. We got the 1 out of 12. Oh, they're all cute. Of course, my favorite, because I didn't know all the others, was Alice. Alice from Alice in Wonderland. His ear fell off. I haven't done most of them, I guess. Okay, anyway, now we are going to do the Villains and Heroes Domo. By the way, these are really real villains and heroes. The one I want the most is Batman Domo, which is a 2 out of 24. So he might be a little rare. Oh wait, 24 is common for this one. 72 is rare. Okay. No, 144. Okay. So, yeah, that was my favorite that I'm gonna get. And just whip her out. Whip. There's 2. Okay. We got Man, I don't know who this is, but I don't know who this is, so I'm just gonna put that there. Oh, his ears in there. Gonna have to super glue that on. Okay. Well, now for the second one. Wait, their arms may or may not be flexible. No flexible arms, no flexible legs. So if ya, no. Okay, well, this one's bad. Oops. That might have been her. Yeah, we got the one that I first wanted. Flash. So cool. There's that. And here are the cute little figures. My favorite was for the Domo Flash. For the Disney Pixar one, Alice. So comment below which one was your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe.